Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you'd like to customize the feel of your controller or replace the thumbsticks for better comfort, changing the sticks on the GameSir G7 Pro is a quick and simple process. Different stick heights and designs can provide a different gaming experience, especially for racing, sports, or first-person shooter games. Since the GameSir G7 Pro is designed with interchangeable components, you can swap the sticks without taking the controller apart. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps to safely change the thumbsticks on your GameSir G7 Pro and get back into the game. Try these. Step 1. Turn off the GameSir G7 Pro before replacing the sticks. Step 2. Hold the GameSir G7 Pro securely on a clean surface. Step 3. Remove the existing thumbsticks from the GameSir G7 Pro carefully. Step 4. Align the replacement sticks with the GameSir G7 Pro thumbstick modules. Step 5. Press the new sticks firmly onto the GameSir G7 Pro. Step 6. Move the sticks around and test the GameSir G7 Pro to ensure smooth operation.